Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my new n8n workflow, which is an urgent task alert from Google Sheet. So this workflow is really simple, but really useful. Because, for example, if you have a shared sheet with all of the tasks, for example, to follow your project, and then suddenly one task became urgent, you will receive the alert automatically. So as I said, it's a really simple workflow. We have three nodes. First one, we have the triggers. So for this, I set it up to every minute, but of course it can be when you want, every hour, every day, etc. But I suggest to put it every minute or every hour, so at least you know that you have something which is becoming urgent. Then you have a condition to send the email. So it's also really simple. We have only one condition, is that the priority needs to be urgent. And then we have our email alert, which is sent, which is resuming all of the information from the row where the task is urgent. So now let's check first the Google Sheet I'm speaking about, and then let's have a little demo. So now let's check let's demo the workflow. So first of all, I will show you the Google Sheet I was speaking about. So we have our, let's say, reporting or project tracking, file, etc. So we can see we have task owner, deadline, status, next step, priority, and it's priority that will interest us because we will flag all of the rows which have the urgent priority. So we can see we have one here, and let's add another one so we can do our demo. Not this one. Okay, so we have Tomat who has a priority urgent, and Patrick. Okay, so now let's run our workflow. It's running. Okay, now let's check our email. We received two emails. First one is for Thomas, so task owner Thomas, deadline, status, next step. And second one is for Patrick. So everything is fine. So we can see that the workflow is working fine. But now, to avoid the spamming, what I will suggest is to change the priority. So let's say priority for Patrick in progress. And now let's check again. We execute again. Okay, it's fine. Let's check the email again. And we receive only for Thomas. So we will do the same for Thomas in progress. Okay, so everything is fine now. We will check another time. And we can see that for this time, the node if is going to the false. So it doesn't send any email. It means we don't have any urgent task to be alerted from. So I suggest you to do this, because if you don't change the priority once you are taking care of it with a trigger, if you trigger it like every minute or every hour, each time you will receive an email. It's not what you want. So of course it's better to change the priority so you are not spammed. And that's it for me, guys. So it's a really simple workflow, but it can be really useful. So don't hesitate to share comments about what you think about it, to ask a question if you have, and to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.